The MBL series evaluation kits are designed to help users quickly evaluate Ebert's next-generation package-compatible wireless modules. The E77-900MBL-01 Sub-1G wireless module test version features most pins exposed to side headers, allowing developers to easily connect various peripheral devices via jumpers as needed. This LoRa module kit provides complete software application examples to help customers quickly get started with wireless data communication development. Different types of Sub-1G wireless modules can be onboard according to customer requirements. Supported modules all have pin-compatible packages for quick replacement.